Hey, what's up people out there? How are you? Well guys, right now I am at Kolkata railway station and I'm going to explore the Kolkata railway station for you guys and for me as well. I love to explore things. So this is the Kolkata railway station, neat and clean, small ones. It just has four stations, no, five stations, sorry. And I'm going to catch my train at 20 p.m. and meanwhile I'm making a video for you guys. Right, you can see there's a very crowded place to leave, so well guys, what is special about this place? Nothing is special. Let me talk about Kolkata. It's full of crowd everywhere. We find people, and the same environment as like in Bombay. If you a person who is fine with the population, huge population, better to say, and it's like you love to be in crowd, and this place is for you guys, right? Well, I'm going to platform number 5. This is platform number 1, right? So I'm going to catch my train. Well, it's quite enough time I have to catch my train. Meanwhile, you can see there's a bookshop here. Let me show you some books here. Well, first time I'm in Kolkata, and I also enjoyed here. This is the locals. You can see behind me, this is the locals. I'm not used to go in locals, this or that. You can see this is local here. You can also, as like I already told to you that the same kind of environment, the same kind of ambience, same kind of situations in Kolkata as like in Bombay. Locals, full of crowd everywhere. Every person is going here, there, this or that kind of thing. As you can see behind me, the trains crossing. Whoa! Oh my God! My bag is backpack is very heavy. So it's draining my energy. I'm just as like my battery going down. You can see behind me, this is the platform, this or that kind of things here. Ooh. Actually guys, I had planned to go many places, but I'm not used to go, used to take locals and travel in buses, this or that. So I quit it. Otherwise I had a very fantastic plan to go lots of places to explore more Kolkata, but I didn't just because the crowd, I mean the locals, this or that. Well guys, still 1 hour left for my train to place at station. What's wrong? Well, here you are going to face problems because most or even 99% people use local language. If you don't know local language, then this is going to be problematic. Very few people know Hindi, so this is going to be a problem for you if you are coming here. So well, I'm not going to suggest you to learn Well, I'm not going to suggest you to learn new Kolkata language, this or that, nothing like that. But guys, if you will come here, then you're going to face a problem. This is for sure, right? Unless you know local language, right? One thing is also is like I was in Vizag.
Will leave from platform.
Well guys, I'm waiting for my train to come and I will go. I'm very tired with this luggage. This is very heavy and it's draining my energy and I don't want to be got it. So guys, when I will train my car, meanwhile I love to show you the ambience here is like cool. Now train has been placed and I'm going to board soon because I'm very tired. I don't want to stay anymore, right? So like you can see, there's a very crowd. I'm one of the crowd chat about it. So I'm going to find out my seat. That is in G5. Right now you can see this is G2, right? So I have to switch 3 coaches. Then after I can find. So guys, when I will go inside, then I will make the further video. Right. Finally, I am relaxing, guys. So guys, this is all over this video is. So subscribe, share and like.